everyone, my name is Isha and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will talk about 30 important speaking cue cards because बहुत सारे लोगों को speaking का material चाहिए था and in this one मैं आपको 30 speaking cue cards के जो है वो पूरे आपको headings दूंगी, तो आपको वो खुद से प्रिपेयर करने हैं. मेक श्योर कि आप उसको 2 मिनट के लिए प्रिपेयर करो एंड आपको वो सब आप अपने दिमाग में वो सब सोचना कि अगर आपको ये वाला स्पीकिंग क्यू कार्ड आता है आपके एग्ज़ाम में तो आपको वो कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है, आपको कैसे ग्रामर यूज़ करनी है, कौन सी बात कहाँ बोलनी है, कौन सी वोकैबुलरी यूज़ करनी है, कनेक्टर्स एंड ऑल, आपको वो सब देख लेना है इसमें. और आपको कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए हो तो आप मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम कर सकते हो. अगर आपको एक दो क्यू कार्ड्स के आंसर भी चाहिए हो देन मैं आपको बता दूँगी, आपको मैं भेज दूँगी. सो बिना देरी किए हुए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So here are the 30 important speaking cue cards, part 1. So let's start with the first one. The first one is describe a street market in your city. So here you can talk about any street market, wherever it was, or if it's in Canada. Let's talk about the second one. The second one is describe an argument between two of your friends or two of your friends had. Third one is describe a natural talent you want to improve, like sports, music, or it can be dance or some other skills. Describe a law on environmental protection. Next, describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. The next one is describe a puzzle, for example jigsaw, crossword, etc. you have played. So here you can talk about your childhood as well. The next one is describe a live sports match that you have watched. Next one is describe an article on health you read in a magazine or on the internet. I got this speaking cue card in my speaking test. The next one is describe a plan in your life that is not related to work or studies. The next one is describe an occasion when you were not allowed to use your mobile phone. The next one is describe a piece of local news that people are interested in. The 12th one is describe a tall building in your city you like or dislike. 13th is describe an occasion when many people were smiling. 14th, describe a time when you saw something interesting on social media. 15th one is describe an art or craft activity, for example painting, woodwork, etc. that you had at school. So it's not compulsory that you have to talk about your school time. 16th is describe a company where you live that employs a lot of people. Here you can even talk about your workplace. Describe a quiet place you like to spend time in. Describe a time when you helped a friend. 19th, describe a leisure activity near on the sea that you want to try. 20th, describe a time when you shared something with others or with another people or another with other person. Describe your favorite movie. 22nd, describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. 23rd, describe your first day at school. Next, describe an aquatic animal. Next, describe a bag you want to own. The next, describe your favorite singer. 27th, describe a time when you made a promise to someone. 28th, describe an art exhibition that you visited. 29th, describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. And the last one is describe a skill that you can teach other people. So I hope this video was helpful for all of you and it was clear enough. अगर किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो आप मेरे को कमेंट कर सकते हो नीचे, और आप मेरे को डीएम कर सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे. एंड प्लीज़ subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you want to share you can share it to your friends. Thank you and bye bye and be safe.